play a ball on the line and take it become. Today we're going to play an exciting adventure with Skyro's friends and Breezy Tears in Danger Island because the king is dreaming. Because someone told him to do the dream. Who's here? In this shadow garden, you taking to bird. Oh, it's the Pinky Pog. Hello, Pinky Pog. Pog, 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 poggy pog, 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 pog. What's up? Hello! 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 Pog, 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 pog. Hi, it's Daddy and Spike. We are the best in the world. We told the great epic channel, and I set the best behind my audible of BBC One. Come on, we're ready. We're ready. We're ready. We're ready. We're so understanding. We're come on time. And going outside. And all that stuff. That was nice. What are you going to do? Are you going to play in the garden? Yeah, we are! Yay! Woo! Woo! I said sorry! I said sorry! Stop being so loud, BBC Two. You're always loud. Bye bye. Looking up, looking down, here and there. a house. Whose house is this? I don't know what it is. Or let's see. Hello. I can't wait for you. Why, what is the best Sky channel and most popular in the UK, maybe even the world? We don't know. It's the way it's so well. Come on, Sky One. Come on, Sky One. Come on, Sky One. Best in the world. It's my face. And this is my spoon. This is my old pond. And this is my trumpet. Oh, that doesn't sound like your trumpet, Sky One. Oh yeah, it doesn't. I think that's why. Yeah, it still doesn't sound like your trumpet. I, that does not sound like your trumpet at all. I know. Is there anything in it? Maybe. Give me a second. How do done. What happened there? I didn't see. You see, what was this again? That's not your trumpet. I know. I don't know what happened to my old trumpet noise. It's why I might never get this. This is sad. I'm sorry. You know, you're not sure. I am sure. Are you sure? Yes. Oh. Oh, 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 oh. Ah, it's so warm. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ah, it's so good. How many is there today? There is 7 channels. Hi! We can't wait to Solar Symphony 6. We can't wait to play with you. Yippee! a nice day. Walking out in the garden. Ah! Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, you say? Oh, yeah. Some of this is behind the tree. Oh, no. Let me hear it. It's still wrong. I know. It's all wrong. I don't know what to do. I know. I didn't know either. Oh, oh. If I could ever be lucky, it's still not big down. You think the rest of us could do it, right? Yes, I do. I don't know. Lovely drink. I need that drink of Coke. Remember, when children, you don't drink Coke. I was an adult, but you can drink Coke. Your parents can, but you can't until you're like 30, 40. Do, 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 do. Do, do, uh, 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 Hi, CITV. Hi, DCT. Hi. Why are you so quick, CITV? I just want to sprint here. That's all. Look at me sprint. Yes, I do. Oh, sorry. I'm still ready to poo. Oh, it doesn't matter. It's not on my foot. On my new iPhone, which I will get. Oh, it's a stone. It's in the Channel Garden stone. That's a really rare stone. Ooh. Oh, 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 oh. Wow. Oh, have you I can hear this. I can hear BBC One and this parent from miles away. How are they so loud? I don't know. Just ignore it and look at that big stone. Wow. My brother ITV2 and his little stick and his other side was Andy on the form living UKTV2, UKTV food, and UKTV Star Garden. That all on the line. I don't know. Actually, wouldn't buy their houses. So why are they on the line? How can they even see? They must do. Oh, okay. I didn't want to. Maybe what 5 times bigger. I only like 5 times, not 10 times bigger. They still need to double it. But it will get bigger. And even the under 18. Under 18? Why? Not everyone is under 18. Just for a little while. I won! Oh, sorry. Oh, it's no wrong. Oh, no, this is good. What? How? I know this too. See, I can do it for you. Yes, I'm ready. Yay! Oh, CC2. Even though you could just are you happy? I can always see it when I see CICD and when we go to his house. His house is full of babies. I know, his actual house is just not that far from mine. Well, why you look like a big thing? I actually made my room look like a space. My bed is a boat. Ah. Ooh, what was that? It's not behind you. No, it didn't. Yes, it did. Are you sure? Yes. Guy won. Oops, sorry. Guy won. Yes, I can't. Oh, that's Curry. 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 Yes. Curry. That's why I'm up here. Oh, you're making it worse. No, I'm not. Yes, you are. Stop. Stop. Oh. Yeah. Oh.